And so once again, we'll have Weather Channel reports right here for you exclusively on WHS 11. Great partnership there. And Ben, as you know, this kind of rain is going to come over here, but you're saying it's going to park over us? What is going on?
Yeah, it's the leftover moisture from Helene, but it also teams up with an upper level low pressure system, so it's just going to kind of sit over us and give us a pretty wet weekend. So good thing, severe weather is not expected with this, and also it should get rid of the drought conditions that we've been through here over the last couple of months. So there are some positives to these leftovers from these tropical systems, especially this time of the year as we start to head toward just after the peak of hurricane season now here in late September. So here is the latest on Hurricane Helene, a Category 1 hurricane, maximum sustained winds at around 85 miles per hour, tracking to the north at 12, just sneaking right between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula today, and now moving out over the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico. So on that track, the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, moving very rapidly to the north. And this update here that just came in within the last few minutes now has it upgraded to a Category 4 major hurricane before landfall. And this would be right around that Big Bend area of Florida, as we just saw in that report. And then the remnants heading our way with some gusty wind conditions. We could have some wind gusts around 20 to 40 miles per hour here Friday, and just a really soggy day as well. So here's a look at that storm with Futurecast. There you can see the eye of it right with in correlation to what the actual forecast is from the National Hurricane Center. And then there you can see that heavy rain moving right over the Ohio Valley and into Kentuckiana. That's going to be happening during the overnight hours Thursday and into Friday morning when that initial heavy rain sets up over the area. For now, though, it's pretty quiet. There might be a stray sprinkle or two, especially for areas off to the south and southeast. And tomorrow will stay mostly dry with steady rain off to the east of us, with maybe just a few passing showers in the afternoon. Only about a 30% chance of that rain tomorrow. But then there you can see that swath of soggy conditions right on top of us here out the door Friday morning. It's around 7 to 8 a.m. Also, those winds coming in from the northeast, wrapping around the remnants of Helene, giving us some of those wind gusts possibly up to 30 to 40 miles per hour. Into the afternoon Friday, more rain, heavy at times. So it's just looking like a plain washout for Friday with rain most of the day. This could add up to over 2 inches of rainfall in some spots by Friday night into Saturday morning. What's that mean for Louder Than Life as thousands come into town? Few showers tomorrow, one of our drier days. 100% chance of rain on Friday and windy as well. With that system parked over the area, pretty good rain chance Saturday as well with 72 degrees and still some showers likely on Sunday with a high of 76. So definitely need that rain gear and those ponchos for the big festival. Radar and satellite shows the steady rain off to our east right now. Pretty quiet here with the sunnier skies out to the west. The bees buzzing the camera here with our Midway University camera along Hurstbourne Parkway and 64 looking back toward downtown from about 10 miles out with our U of L Health Camera Network. We're in the mid 70s. High today 77 degrees, so below normal, and all 70s throughout Kentuckiana. The official on the books today 77, just a couple below the average high of 79, 95, the record back in 2007. So cloudy and mild, mostly dry tonight. That forecast low 64 degrees, and tomorrow will stay mostly cloudy and mild with a high of 77, with just about a 30% chance of that shower. So the 7-day forecast here for you, 100% chance of that rain Friday. That'll make it a weather impact alert day, not just the wet weather, but also the windy conditions for Friday as well. Scattered showers likely Saturday and into Sunday with more 70s. We trend drier next week and might cool it down towards the middle of next week as well.